What's your worst story from the throw him in the pool, he'll learn how to swim parenting style? My mom had this sink or swim approach to parenting, which is ironic because she literally threw me into the pool. When we moved to a place with a pool during the summer between first and second grade, my mom was convinced that I had learned to swim when I was a baby. So, while she got floaties for my younger sister, she refused to buy any for me, claiming that I was already a pro swimmer and too old for floaties. When I refused to get into any part of the pool I couldn't walk in, my mom called me from outside the pool and promptly grabbed me and tossed me into the 6-foot end. And surprise, I didn't know how to swim. I remember splashing twice, hearing my mom yell at me to stop panicking. Then I went under and tried swimming to the surface like I'd seen in movies and eventually got my head a bit above water, coughed out a bunch of water and started screaming for help before I went under again. After causing a commotion, my mom instructed me to head towards the pool's edge. I managed to reach the edge but struggled to hoist myself out. Frustrated, my mom urged me to swim towards the shallow end. As I attempted to cling onto the edge and drag myself to safety, my mom persistently removed my fingers and scolded me to quit fooling around and swim. Eventually, I made it to the shallow area and my mom and family exclaimed, "Look, you still know how to swim? It's something you never forget."